I'm back. I think either OBS or something else is crashing. I don't want to say Skelecella, but I've been playing Skelecella for about 3 hours yesterday. And it crashed after three hours for me too. So either my graphics card is broken, or something else is happening. If I don't update OBS, then it shouldn't crash from one day to another. Memory leak? I don't know. Well, it's not my game. My game does not have a memory leak. Drivers updated. TangyTD is running on 143 megabytes. Check the Windows event viewer. Well, it says device removed. I can see the message here. We can look at the message here too. Can you be any worse, please? Could you be any worse? Okay, so this Visual Studio Code application is so dogshit you can't even read strings. Device has been triggered and for the following reasons. DXGI error device hung. The device took an unreasonable amount of time to execute its commands. So what leads me to believe that it's not my game is because you guys are playing my game. And if my game is causing an issue, then I would have... So what I need to do now is we stream tomorrow again. Like I'll continue to stream today, of course, but we will stream tomorrow again. I will not be running Skelecella in the background. And if I don't crash, then I have to, by omission, say that there might be something. Sorry, I crashed, yeah. Most debuggers do that. Yeah, debuggers are just retarded when it comes to... I hate that. But yeah, I mean, we can copy the value. It's fine and put it here. I have never received the device removed before. Only one time when I ran away. Here, Discord has detected a new audio output device named NVIDIA High Definition Audio. I don't know. Try to update drivers. So I guess I'll try to update the drivers tonight, but I really don't want to update OBS. God, this sucks. It's fine though. Imagine this happening before release. The current device context was executing commands. When the hang occurred, the application may want to respawn and fall back to less aggressive use of the display hardware. Yeah, I mean, if you get the device removal, then there's not much you can do. You're at least the third streamer I'm watching in the last 3 weeks with crashing problems. It happened to me just a couple of days ago for the first time, but that's because I ran away. So basically, my wife needed to go outside with Zoe, and I ran down the stairs into the hallway with her, away from the desk, but I kept my headphones on. And the headphones were connected to the computer, via Bluetooth, right? They were sending data via Bluetooth. But once the connection was gone, I heard like a blum blum. I came back, stream crashed. Now, for 2 days in a row, I was playing Skelicilla. I was having Skelicilla in the background today, and I played Skelicilla yesterday for 3 hours. And I crashed. After I stopped playing Skelicilla, I streamed for 4 more hours. I didn't crash. And it's been the 3-hour mark again. So I don't know if it's Skelicilla, but it's odd that it's the 3-hour mark again. We could literally check on YouTube, right? The last 2 VODs. No, I do not want to pin. Piss off. Leave me alone. Okay? Channel. So, live. 3 hours, 31 minutes. Wait. 4 hours, 27 minutes. But I spent an hour doing other things before. Wait, how does that work? Wait. 1 day ago. Wait, am I stupid? That's the 3-hour. Yeah, no, so this is after the crash. This is before the crash. I spent an hour working on the game. And then it's close, man. It's really close. This is crashing today. This is crashing yesterday. It's odd that it's 3 hours, 30 minutes. Windows Event Viewer? Well, maybe because of this. There you go. It's a very specific time, yeah. So how do I find this? So laggy as well. What do I need to click here, guys? Error? This one? Windows logs. Okay, and then? Application, security, application. CapCut executable? But I'm not running it. 739. Was that the crash? It's gotta be something else. Check the timestamp. It's gotta be 738, the NVIDIA. Unable to recover from a kernel exception. The application must close. Visit the support page. Check system. I get a kernel exception, I don't know, from NVIDIA. NVIDIA broadcast. But I'm not running it, am I? No. I don't have NVIDIA broadcast running. I have 2 OBS instances running though. That sucks. What the fuck is that now? Can you like stop? Uh-oh. Okay, there's gotta be a bug. Since it's a fixed time, it might be running out of resources. It says, oh, it says Skelicilla. Oh, should I send this to Adam? System. NVIDIA. So it is Skelicilla, it looks like. Well, that sucks. Is it though? Is it really? Got it. The guy who coded the UI. What did you do, man? I can't read this. Sorry. It's a driver crash. Oh, make the window bigger. Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry. It doesn't say anything here, guys. So this is not... It starts here. The description of this for this event ID from the source, blah, 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 cannot be found. Either the component traces this event is not installed on your computer, you can install the component. If the event originated from another computer display, the following information was included in the event device. Error occurred. GPU ID 600. The message was, guys, it's Godot! It's Godot! See? I told you. Ha! I told you Godot was bad. 100% it's Cakez. Oh man, that sucks. I like the game. Well, that sucks. Godot sucks, yeah. Faulty hardware. I don't think it's faulty hardware, man. I've not crashed a single time. Ever since I have this graphics card. Not a single time. In any game. Not even PoE. And if I crash in PoE, it's not like a crazy crash where everything just shuts down. Godot is known for these issues. Man. Okay. I mean, can you guys send this over to Adam? I mean, I could make a screenshot, I guess. I'm just gonna say, not sure if it's him or not. Oh God, so many messages. No, I was doing so well. I want to say that's far from. Okay, I get sub. So basically, yeah, Lana didn't do anything. Yeah, I knew it, right? Of course, it's like social engineering. But we banned them all, right? We banned them. I hope. Yeah, we banned them. Let's see. What was I doing? Adam, yeah. Not sure if it's you, but I got this after roughly 3 hours of leaving your game just running in the background. There is detailed tab, by the way. Unable to recover from a kernel execution, this application must close. The error code scale visit. I will give him both. XML view. I mean, okay, I'll send him all pictures. It's fine. I like the song of Cakez, man. I was listening to it on a loop because it's so awesome. Is that the same thing? Cakez executable. Is that a bit more? Cakez, DLL, program files, general. The path, the module path. Should I give that too? I'm just spamming him with these. Is this good enough? Execution code and the other one? Now Explorer died. Okay, so Explorer is something else, guys. Explorer has nothing to do with this anymore. That's an issue that propagated right from the other one. Tell him fixed by the end of the day or riot. No, it's fine. Like this, you know, listen, he's gotta be under a lot of stress, okay? And so, yeah. Sad, man, because I like it. I like the song. I like listening to it. Very sad. Okay. Guys, watch the video. Support Cakez, okay? All right, chat. Let's continue. We need to listen to our own music now. I did not check my revenue. I'll check at the end of the month, but I probably want to avoid further clips, so I might just check it out in silence, alone, and make a post on Discord or something. We'll see. Like, hey, thanks for the reports. I didn't see any usual leaks when I investigated, but I'm also that time. Bro, it's fine. Hey, it's fine. Listen, I'm probably the only person that gets this, so keep it as very low priority. Okay. What did I just close? I hate closing tabs. Okay, it was just my channel. That's fine. Yeah, I know, man. I wish you good luck, man, Mr. Adam. I really do. I hope you can get to all of the feedback. It must be overwhelming. Please explain your profile picture. It's cursed. Which profile picture? From YouTube? The, like, with the eyes and stuff? There was a filter and I was eating a salami at the same time. And someone made a GIF out of it, and then I was like, oh, that looks cool. And then I used it as my main profile picture. Man, I need to go pee again. What's wrong with you? Ooh, guys, this is a ghost, right? This will be a ghost that can dodge melee, can dodge ranged attacks. So it'll be an archer counter with like a high probability of dodging, and he can attack. And it's a ghost. Archer's no longer OP, or people are gonna hate me. Ah, they're gonna hate me. We're not going to implement the boss then. I don't think I have time, but I think that's cool. Right? Because I want to make archers less OP. You can eat my salami. Okay, I'm gonna ban you. For 5 minutes. Okay. You can add this salami, bro. Eat this salami. Where are you at? Oh, you're so lucky I can't find you right now. You're so lucky. Yeah, see you in 5 minutes. Okay. 9. I misclicked. That's fine. It's your own fault. It's your own fault, idiot. What a dumbo. Yep. What a dummy. You know, guys, it feels really good being able to upload another YouTube video after such a long time. And I had so much fun going through the video yesterday. You know, playing Skelecilla and finding like interesting parts to put into the intro and stuff. I had so much fun. What do we call this guy? Ghost Warrior? Ghost Warrior? It's gonna be Gamedev assets for later. Ghost Warrior? Already have a Ghost Warrior. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's literally is a Ghost Warrior. Fine. Did you beat Skelecilla? I just started post game. No, I did not. I was farming. I was farming Skelecilla currency off while I was streaming. And the game crashed. But yeah, I think I have like 20,000 sludge or something now. Must be more than that. So I have like a time limit when playing Skelecilla, right? We have 3 hours. It's like, it's actually not meant... it's actually meant to be in a game, you know? You have 3 hours to beat it. I can't give him about too much work. We need to give him an outline though. I think I'll handcraft the outline because it's easy to do. Hey? Hey, what are you doing? Stop.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Cakez and Sky just subscribed.
Yo, my man, thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Appreciate it. Okay, that makes this a lot easier. Nice! That was easy. Awesome. The reason why this outline is so easy to do on them is because he already has like some sort of an outline here, and it's not much to do. I think that looks good and will fit. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom again. I apologize. I really need to go. Wait, shit. Did I make any changes to the map and didn't save it? Oh no. Oh no. No.
Am I so out of touch?
No.
FISTMAST for just subscribed.
Thank
How
you.
are we now going to
Fist
ask
master.
why game no finished yet? Lazy dev.
Oh, my game is finished. What are you talking about? It's out. Fuck you. Thank you very much for the money, asshole. Be right back. Oh, I'm getting hungry, chat. Oh, this fell down again. Fuck, man. Okay. I'm hungry, chat. Please add French to the game. And GG for the launch. Yeah, we need French. You're right. I'll write that down. I think I had someone contact me about French. The thing is, right now I'm adding content which adds a lot of strings. Which means I'd rather add the strings first and then add French. To not confuse them and do double work, but I'll write it down. So I can get rid of this for now. That's not me. I'll keep it though. I'll keep it for now. It's fine. French. Check DMs for French. Good. Good. Awesome. Not sure. So let's do that. Right. Path or the lack of motivation versus discipline. Motivation comes and goes. What moves you forward is still doing the work. Unmotivated, yeah. Who are you replying to? Oh, fuck this. Oh, I hate this. I can't land a job, Sage. Fuck, man. I think what you need to do to maybe increase your odds, just do side projects, right? You have a computer science degree. Maybe they just look for something that screams to them that is something more. I don't know. But man, that sucks. It's gotta be the worst fucking time. Or the worst fucking feeling. You spend so much time making something and then someone is like, nope. Don't need ya. Let's give me that ghost. Let's port Tangy TD to Linux while Cakez is away. But isn't that good for me? I don't understand you. So that's this color. So no, we'll keep the ghost in this color. And also this, and we will change the color later. No, no. I need water. I'm sure Tangy, yeah, Tangy runs on Proton. Steam Deck. Yeah, what we're doing right now, by the way, guys, if you're new here, we're currently adding another enemy to the game, and I'm building another level to hopefully have a good content update tomorrow. I didn't know it was tomorrow. I thought it was the day after tomorrow. So I'm a little bit under time pressure. This is going to be a ghost enemy in the game, and I hope I will implement him in a way where he dodges your ranged attacks. And then ranged units, ranged units will not be so powerful. And you might need some more melee units. I mean, with a lot of projectiles, you'll still be able to hit him, but yeah. I still can't believe how lucky I got, guys. I do not believe this, man. Guys, we had Soda Poppin play our game. Right, Tangy TD. Soda Poppin played. Can you believe it? I never would have imagined. Like when you guys said that Soda Poppin is not doing Sub Sunday anymore. It was a shit show Saturday. I was really sad because I was like, damn, that was an opportunity that we don't have now. We got so lucky. Yeah, even when you buy an asset of the internet, if you want it to look good in your game and fit your style, and it is not the exact same style that your game has, there's still a decent amount of work involved. We have only done 3 frames so far, and there's 10 frames for this attack animation. There's a lot of work still left to do, just to get the animation in, right? That is not even setting the stats and testing it in a game. Just artwork. 50% to him? What? 50% to him? To what? To Soda Poppin? He doesn't need the money, no. He's not gonna get any money. He's got enough, man. This guy's swimming in money. 100%. I was actually, checking the X posts yesterday. And what is this? Cakez. Error rate limit exceeded 10 per 1 minute. I don't know. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's gonna be hard to do. Shit. That's not easy. The slash is nice. Luckily, we don't have to do anything there. Okay. This. Cool. Well, we keep that. It's fine. Oh, we can extend it a little bit. Right? Maybe not that crazy. I love this, man. You know, it just feels so awesome. I'm a little bit under pressure because tomorrow is like this big day on Steam where it's also my first day, but where the spring sale starts, and I think it's important to have a post there for your game with the content update and stuff like that, right? Especially for my game, since people really want content. But man, I'm so fucking relaxed. I can't believe this, bro. It's been such a long time. It's been such a long time, bro. Holy. Is that empty? Based. It was just TTS of how Prime was saying for Cakez. Oh, I see. Ha 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 ha. Very funny. It was hella funny. Indeed, very funny. Yeah. Cakez, why are you not using edit FX outline? Because I am not outlining everything, just a small portion of it. I'm not outlining this part right here. If I do shift outline, then it would be wrong. So I'm drawing it by hand, and at the same time I'm relaxing like crazy because I love this. It's really cool. I'd do this off stream, but you know, since I'm on stream right now, let's do it right now. It's fine. And we are already at 7, right? So it's fine. Nice. Love it. Is there a faster way to draw pixel art? AI?
Let me fucking hear you, you fucking asshole!
Oops. I just spasmed. Great.
I wanted to relax. God, that triggered me.
Hated that boss. That boss was the worst. And I didn't even try Milena. I didn't... how many of you guys have beaten Elden Ring but not Milena, chat? In Elden Ring? I didn't even see her. Never played Elden Ring. I like it, just too big of a map. It's too much open world. Not sure why they went with this. I think Dark Souls 1 is much better designed. Because of the enclosed space with verticality. Elden Ring, it doesn't have that. It's just a big, flat, open world. Game seems very similar to Kingdom Rush. Yeah, people compare it to Kingdom Rush a lot. I get a lot of hate for not having as much... not hate. Negative feedback. For not having as much content as Kingdom Rush, yeah. But it's heavily inspired. I like Kingdom Rush. at some point, this game should have close to the same amount of content as Kingdom Rush, plus the endless mode that you don't have in Kingdom Rush. No. At some point. It'll take some time, but it will. Pretty sure. This mob is awesome. Yeah, I think it'll fit great into the game. I will change the color of it, but otherwise I like it. So that's why I'm spending so much time on it. It'll be somewhat of an annoying enemy with decent HP. And it'll move quite slowly, but you can't hit it, right? It won't kill you, but it'll have a lot of HP. So it's almost like a boss. Like an orc, but with protection against ranged attacks. And then probably his attacks will freeze. I might even do like an AoE attack, but I don't think I have time. Cakez is a fake German. Actually, I think I'm very efficient. Like sometimes I'm amazed at how I do certain things. Like I don't know. I don't have an example at hand right now, but sometimes it is bro crazy. How am I that efficient? All right, let's look. I like it. Really good. There's just one problem. This one here. All right. Good stuff. ChatGPT cannot do pixel art, guys. It will look bad. Oh, man, that was the attack. Annoying. That was a lot of work. Alright, so that was the first Ghost Warrior attack. Shit. Looks cool, yeah, that was the first. It's not in Tangy TD, it's in Gamedev assets. Why did I close this though? Oh shit, we have 2 attacks. Please don't be that big. Oh my god, can you stop? Fine, we'll add this in because it will be a cool dash attack. But should he do a dash attack? Relic Guardian has 15 towers and 20 levels, Cakez. Yeah, but the Relic Guardian has a finite number of upgrades. If I add more content over time, I will have almost infinite build options and upgrades. I have never tried to compete at the number of towers. The different types of builds in my game are the number of towers. The different items. I have 100 items in a game. Over 100 items. How many upgrades do they have? People do not seem to understand the difference between just an upgrade on a tower and an upgrade on a tower in Kingdom Rush is an item in my game. If you get attack speed and damage for archers in Kingdom Rush, then that's a different ball in my game. That's just what it is. You know. Keep your politics out, guys. Please don't. I don't care about your politics, okay? Just saw you on TikTok. Congrats. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Hello from South Korea. Hello, my man. Hope you're doing good. Welcome back from Germany. Glad you found your way here, even though it's not your native language. Do I do a dash attack again? No, we're just gonna make him run first. We'll make him run first. The dash attack is the additional attack. We're going to do the fly. Bro, can you stop making so many things? Okay. G. GG's nuts. So yeah, anyways, it's fine. People will compare this, which is okay. I will just add more content. I will live with the feedback for now. I will accept it and I'll add more content. That's it. No. But once I have enough content, that's when everyone will be like, damn, this game is good. It has a lot of content. Yes, it does. It does, you know. Soon there will be 10 maps instead of 8, which people will like a lot. I'm pretty sure. This map is one of them. Then with the expansion, aka the free expansion that you get, right? The more content update. I'll add a minimum of 5 maps to it. We also still have a really, yeah, it'll be free. For those that own the game, you could just play, right? Oh. I will be adding this guy back into the game. Shade 11 will find that awesome. Because he played against him. This guy right here, I drew this a long time ago. This boss right here. The Golem. He will be immune to both physical and magic damage, but then he can't take damage. So we'll have to see how you can do damage to him. Yeah, it is a cool boss. That'll definitely come back into the game. He has rolling stones. Rolling stones. Yeah, I mean, it was not supposed to be, but yeah, it is how it is. Run. Good stuff. Alright, let's... F2. Run. Good. That's a big sprite sheet. Are you not limited by size? I am surprised. I have a sprite sheet that is the size of the entire continent of the United States or something. And no one seems to have any issues starting and loading this ginormous atlas. Which is weird, because I thought there would be limitations on at least some of the graphics cards, but apparently no. This is like 4000 by 8000 pixels. If I were to port this to the GPU, there would be issues, but yeah, nope. The old tower sprites look more evil? The old tower, you mean the enemy sprites? I don't know, I feel like this also looks evil. Oh, the Pubity Insta, I have not seen it, no. Or you mean the one they posted, a while ago? They made a post about, like, my reaction, yeah. Did they make another one, you mean? Oh, he said add Tangy's altars but make them more evil. I see. I'm sorry. Okay, wait, idle, and we need one more, right? I guess idle. Please be not be so long. Why do you need 10 fucking frames for an idle pose, man? Can't you just do 2? So much work. By the way, I want to check, like, my team is... My football team is playing right now. How's it going? No live ticker. Okay. I wonder if they are doing well or not. Damn. All right. Sorry. What team do you support? Oh, football team. I don't really support a team. You could say Dortmund, but I don't really follow it. Which, yeah, my brother is very supportive of Dortmund. My dad too. But I really just care about games. To be honest, I just care about making games. I like watching football though. Always like watching a good game. And apparently in Münster, I don't know Preußen Münster, how they are standing right now. If they are close to relegation or not, like dropping down. But it's really cool to have like your own city, have a team in second Bundesliga. Never was into football though. Could make a football... Nah, I don't want to make a football game. I really don't. That's not my thing. So I clicked idle. I wasn't dreaming before. If you have a selection, you can't do that. Interesting. Good old oranges? Yeah, I mean... You're a Bayern fan, Cakez? No, I'm not. I'm not a fan of anyone. I really don't care. I honestly just don't care. By the way, guys, just noticed I didn't pin the message. If you're new here and want to support what I do, I'm working on a game called Tangy TD. You can find the link in chat right now. The best way to support me is to buy the game. And if you have any feedback, let me know in a review. Would be cool if you could review the game too. If you liked it, say you liked it. If you didn't like it, say you didn't like it. But be honest, please. Very important. Okay, guys, we're going to add the outline now. We're going to be changing this asset so it will fit in the game. Don't worry, guys. The moment we get to import it into the game, that's when we'll change the color and make it slightly opaque. Transparent, not opaque. The opposite. Okay, I'll try something to improve the speed of this a tiny bit. What if I just do shift outline? And then fix most of those lines, right? There you go. There you go, chat. Cool. Just got the game. Can't wait to play it later tonight after work. It's gonna be a long day of work, but nothing will stop me to play again. Thank you. Awesome. Wow, what a nice message. Thank you so much, bro. Hello, Tonya. Tony, how you doing, man? All right, so how can we improve this? Like, make this 10x faster. Okay. That's a lot faster. Not gonna lie. Oh.
Himself
See
into
how
the pit
fast I
again.
got far, how far I got high, how high I got there. No. No, this needs to be repaired. I'm sorry, guys. It looks like the talking is getting to me. Happy for your success, Cakes. Saw some viral clips. Eugene, my guy, is inspirational. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, it's been a bit crazy, gotta be honest. Like, it's been actually really crazy, not a bit. Okay, more than halfway done. No, we can do it. We can do it. We just gotta stay consistent. Don't stop working. We're done. There's not much more work left to do. Just more outline, outline, outline. Just think outline the entire time. It's fine. Just gotta do more outline. One outline at a time. Yeah, yeah. I can't wait to put this enemy in the game, guys. There you go. But yeah. Yep. There you go. Let's do this. And yeah, super cool. We had a couple people that had issues with the save game. Thank goodness it wasn't too many. But yeah, for the next game, definitely learn something there. Enable that stupid option and don't enable the developer option for cloud saves. Then cloud saves will work and you cannot... Like, I don't even know how you're gonna do it. Like, you need to at some point create a backup save of your game. And that is a copy of your current save. If you enable Steam Cloud and it saves the save game into a new save game, when are you going to save that new save game into the backup? Because it'll do a backup, right? It has to do a backup. So then you still use your progress, lose your progress. Because the backup is there to protect your game from not so you're not losing it. Right? What are you doing now? I'm adding a new enemy into the game. We designed a new map today. And that new enemy is supposed to be a ghost warrior that can attack, is invisible to the naked eye. So you need to get detection for him. And he will be able to dodge ranged attacks to counter the archers a little bit. I can already read the negative reviews. People hating this enemy. But it's fine. Yeah, and I want to try to get this done all by tomorrow. Which I understand it might not be possible to do. Because we're already at 8:30. I still have to eat as well. And tomorrow at 6 is when... Basically tomorrow at 6 the sale starts. The spring sale on Steam. And as far as I understand, if you have an update patch for that, that's really good. So I want to push an update for that. And also people have been asking for more content. So I'm trying to get that to them. And also, like, this is the last days where I still have the discount on my game, right? After that, it'll drop off dramatically. That's what I think. I think it's like pretty obvious, right? That it will drop off a lot. So yeah, I'm just doing everything I can. And what I feel like should be done. Because I feel like you only get this opportunity once. And sleep can happen after that. I'm a bit disappointed though that I don't have items yet. Have some... I actually drew a couple of wands today while I was out with my wife. For the healer. I have one wand that could be an ice wand. And then another wand that could be a healing wand. But I have no idea about the stats yet, what they should have on there. Bigger stats could be, right? Bigger stats, more cooldown reduction, something like that. That's easy to do. Instead of range attacks, could I have a barrier around him that negates attacks from outside that barrier? Basically, a ranger right next to him would still work, Cakez. I don't know. At least we have these 3 things in the game now, and that's enough. Oh, that took a long time. Oh, How long did that take, guys? Man. Oof. So let's go through the frames. This is just running. So when I see this, right? To me, this just means that this is the frame that is the most further, but we can just do this. Then he's a bit off. But at least he's perfectly centered. Now that I see this, I think he even fits in 48 by 48. Ah, it's close. He does fit, but it is super close. Just trying to save time here. I'm buying this game now. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. No, the slash will be blue, if anything, because it's an ISO check. Before we do that, though. Now we have the guy, the Ghost Warrior, finally, and we can do output by tags. That'll be the guy. Export. And we do texture atlas, file open recent, Ghost Warrior. Copy. Okay, where do we put this guy? Here? Could fit. No, I think that works. Okay, this is where we change colors of this guy. Meaning, I wanna make him look similar to the ghost. Somewhat transparent. To, like, the player knows the ghost. They will make the connection that this is a stronger enemy. Okay, let's see. Well, we want to do a Shift R first, right? What will the sword look like? What color should the sword be? Transparent? Purple, blue. He has the same. Unfortunately, he has the same stupid color here as the sword, which makes me go. Basically, we have to quickly change this color. By hand. Oh. Annoying. If we don't, then it's the same color and it will replace the wrong colors. Really annoying. Oh god. Okay, we are more than halfway done. Thank goodness. I hate this. So tedious. Ah, I missed one pixel. No, we can't do that. Surely there's no other colors, right? And I just noticed something that makes me mad too, but I think we can turn that to our advantage, because it looks cool. I noticed that hey, what the fuck was that? A sprite? Sorry. I'm just treating this as his mouth. And man, are we done? Alright, fine. Finally. Holy shit. I hope no colors will repeat anymore. Gotta go. Good day for you. See you next stream. Thank you very much for joining, man. See you next stream, bro. Minor spelling mistake. Add a snowflake defect on the sword. I will, but not now. It's too much work right now. I needed to get it in the game. Snowflake effect is something you could spend so much time on. For basically no real gain. Like the players are not gonna go, oh, snowflake effect. No, they're gonna be, fuck this game. This guy dodges my ranged attacks. I hate this guy. That's what they're gonna do. Can they swim? Well, these guys, that's a ghost. Oh my god, stop. Okay. Blue. This sucks. I will change this, guys. Okay, I'm not happy with this. But not right now. Alright, so here's where it begins. We take, I think I take this part and replace it with this part to make it transparent. And then we take this part and we replace it with this part. Now we have a problem though, because there's too much. What do I replace that with? Unfortunately, I feel like the colors don't really work out. Oh, it does look nice though. I have to say. Fuck, don't tell me that was the same color. Man, that would look awesome, but it is the same color on the top again. The upper ghost is awesome, yeah. I like it a lot, but it's unfortunately it's the same color. It's too obvious. What was that? What was that? Poof! Oh my god, that's almost the same color, but not quite perfect. You guys can't even see the difference. Yeah, this is a bit tedious, guys. I'm sorry for the slow process. That is the downside of having to add a sprite into your game that has not been created for your game, either by yourself or someone else. You still need to make it look somewhat, how do you say that, cohesive? So that it fits in your game. And that process can be very annoying and tedious and take a long time. But it is still faster than to draw the entire sprite yourself. I think. Well, we're getting close. I've done enemies in like an hour or two, and I think I've now spent more than an hour on this sprite. Yeah, I mean, I crashed, right? And then I started working on this. I think I spent... How much did we spend on this? An hour? Surely, right? So if you have to spend a lot of time will you add Swedish maybe after French? Yeah, I mean I could, yeah. Then you're not really gaining anything if you have to spend so much time. Unfortunately, guys, I have to replace it again. Even though I really like the way it looks. Apart from the sword. So I guess we'll leave the sword alone for now. We start doing the Shift R again. This time we're starting with this. We're turning it into this. Good. I like that a lot. I'm happy about this. Now, what color should the ghosts on top have, guys? AQ did... No, AQ didn't draw this. What color should the ghosts on top have? Right now, it matches the mantle. Right? I like the blue mantle, but maybe a different blue that is already part of the game? Doesn't look bad. What you're talking about doesn't look bad at all. You're wrong. You look bad, bro. See? Oh wow, that just changes everything. Oh my god, why is he reusing all of those colors? I can't just replace them. This sucks. Oh, this is annoying. Man, why do you have to reuse the same colors everywhere, bro? Fucking sucks. Pepper cloud looks cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna draw the eyes then by hand. I'm tired of having to redo this all the time. Oh, that sucks. That sucks a lot. Cakez, a lot of games use a lookup in shader. Yeah, let me code that for one sprite. I know, but just to make it for one sprite, that takes too long. Can I select all frames? Do a Shift R. I think I can. Okay, guys, I got an idea. I know what to do. Tell me Shift R works and I love you. Shift R. Yes! So I don't have to work there. I can do it here. Nice. Okay, perfect. Get this guy. Oh, I should have done that from the very beginning. Okay, so basically... make a Shift N. We take this guy, put it on top, Then we select all frames from this guy. We do a Shift R and then we start shifting. And unfortunately, we have the same color for the... Yeah, we need to somehow replace these colors. Which just makes me go real mad. Wait, can I... Wait. I can. No, I can't. Shit. You can select as well. Well, can I do this? Select all... Ah, shit. Right, then... I guess I'll just make it bigger. Is the face always in there? Yes. So can I select all of this and then just replace that color? Oh, does that work? Does he know of Relip though, or has ever made a comment on it? Yeah, I have. I recommend it. For making games, I recommend it. God, I love this. I should have done this the first time. You learn something new every day. God, I hate you again. God, this is so tedious. It just makes me bad. All right. Good. Let's begin. Oh my god. Okay, it's fine. That should be this color. But... tiny bit darker. Then we do Shift R. This should be this color. Then we do another Shift R. This should be this color. I don't like it. But we can replace it, it's fine. This color should be this color. It'll be the same color. It's fine. This color will be this color. Shift R and then this color right here will be this color right here. Colton, thank you very much for rating. I appreciate it, bro. Cakez, a lot of games use lookup shader. Oh, I see. Could save you lots of time recoloring. Yeah, it's something that if you have that commonly in your game, then that could work, yeah. Thank you so much for the raid. I hope you had a good stream. Welcome. What have you been working on? What's up, man? Hello there, bro. I'm just making... I don't know, trying to make a cool looking enemy. With a nice sword or something. Try to put that in a game. Okay. What do we put as the handle though? I mean, does it really matter what the handle is? I think it should be a ghost to handle. Maybe just this. Like an entire ghost sword. Yeah, just keeping it ghosty. Sorry. And of course making it transparent too. I hate that. Good. Last thing is the cat on the back. What color would that be? What should it be? Oh, it could be a repeating color of blue. Right? Looks awesome, man. Hey, thank you. Congrats on your work, man. I'm going to buy your game after work today. Looks amazing. Hey, thank you. Thank you very much. Damn. These freaking clips everywhere. Not complaining though. Not complaining. Alright guys, I think we're getting there. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, guys, we are almost there. Last thing is this. There you go. Ghost enemy. Damn! Look at this guy. Hey, Spoopy. Yeah, that's a ghost. Nice. Is he a boss? No, but he's gonna be a tough enemy with lots of HP and unique ability. He's not gonna move very fast, but he'll be difficult to deal with. So I'm farming negative reviews with this guy, 100%. So like the beginning was this, right? And I think we turned him into something that really fits the game. Another invisible ghost. Fuck, I hate those. So a mini boss, yeah, a mini boss. I wanna do one more, guys. Wait. I think we could give him a better... Or is green fine? I feel like this should not be green. What should we give him though? What should this color be? Pink. Can't scroll. He's addicted. You mean repeat? Nah. I don't know about that. I think green works. Say a clip and the gameplay. Very happy for you. We'll try it for sure. Greetings from France. Hey, Kogito. Thank you, man. Kogito. Guys, this guy is opaque still. We have to make him non-opaque. Okay. I think I keep green. I'll try blue one more time, though. I want to try blue. Maybe that works. Oh yeah, baby. You see that, chat? Oh yeah, look at that slash. Oh yeah. That is some glow for you. This is called a sprite, this application, yeah. I like it a lot. I will buy it soon. Right now I have a working thing, but I will buy a sprite soon. I've been using this program for years. Could never afford it. Now I can. I could have afforded it, right? But it was an expense that did not need to happen. So I was like, okay. Since it does not need to happen. Will buy it later. I will. Okay, guys, sorry, this took very long just for one enemy, but I feel like it's cool when we get these in the game. How much was this? About an hour and 20 minutes to fix up this enemy as additional work. So, guys, I have bought this asset before on itch.io. I have now spent an hour and 20 minutes to fix up the sprite. So I think I've invested, if you take like a, what's the normal rate? 20 euros per hour? 20 euros per hour? Like if you're going by the bare minimum to make it like worth it. So that you can live, 24 euros per hour I have invested, plus the cost of buying the sprite, which was probably like $2 or $3 or $5. So let's make it 30 euros. I have spent 30 euros of time plus money, right? If money equals time, right? So basically 30 euros of currency onto this sprite, which I think is very cheap. If you try to get this on itch.io, it's easily over 50. Easily. Realistisch. it's still free. It's still free to build. It's still free to build a sprite yourself. Yes. And I will make an updated a sprite tutorial on how to do that. But I will also put into the tutorial that you should buy and support the developers. Yeah. Support the. Well, it's not a game, but you know what I mean, right? Okay, finally, we're getting something done. Let's get this guy out of the way here. Bye. Okay, so let's get this. The dimensions are 96 and 48. New enemy, guys. Cool. It's going to be for this map. Ghost Warrior. I don't have money and job. It's expensive. I mean, listen, I've been using a sprite for free for a very long time. So I think it's fine. Right? If you can't buy it, then you shouldn't, in my opinion. That's why they give you this option, which is why I think they are great. But if you can't afford it, I feel like you should buy. And so I will. Right now, I just don't want to change my environment at all. Right? I don't want to touch anything. I don't want the additional stress of maybe something breaks, right? And then you're sitting there, you're trying to repair something while you're doing something else. Oh my god. There you go. Alright. Awesome! Were the humanoid towers that replace the oranges also bought? No, I made them myself. I drew them all myself. They are here. I mean, just showing them in the atlas doesn't prove that I made them, but I drew them myself here. I don't even know where they are. Like, they're here somewhere. But yeah, here. I did make them myself, yeah. No, I wanted something special, and so the only way to do that is to make that myself, so no. Because I knew exactly what I wanted from also the attack animations and stuff. And I knew I would be faster than searching for something online. Like, I had like a particular attack animation for the archer in mind, for example. Wait a minute. I have run, idle, and attack. We need attack. Why do I have to keep going to the bathroom today, man? It's like the third time. What's going on? So annoying. 96 by 48. Again. I drank one tea, I think. Schwache Blase. No, I think I just drank too much water or something. Weird. Holy cow. Too much water? Yeah, it could be. Hey guys, I'll be going to the bathroom. 1 sec. Okay, sorry about that. Look at this map, this cozy map while I'm gone. Be right back. Awesome! Okay, let's get him. Let's go! And the boy into the game! The ghost! Let's go! So he has the... Man, he looks so awesome! I love it! So there's this much. So this is where they start all. That is 3072. Okay. 3072, comma 2. And the first one starts at... Hello. 3104. And then the... Wait, is that the idle? No, that's the attack, of course. So that is attack. Then after that we have run, which is 3152. And then after that we have attack, 3200. Okay. Now the encyclopedia entry. Let's do this immediately. The icon and encyclopedia entry. So we don't have to do this later. Essentially, it's these things up here that preview new enemies. Here we go. How do we do that with the... Yeah, it's just transparent, I see. Thank you guys for following. I appreciate it. It's been too many to shout them out, but I appreciate it a lot. Okay, good. Put this. Yep. Alright, so what do we do? Like this? Good. Okay, one more here. Are we Gucci? Do that here though. Ah, shit. Wait, yeah. Good. Get rid of this. Okay, we have at least two things done already. Yo, how's the work on Tangy HD going? Good. Tangy HD is going very well, bro. Pixel perfect, actually. Oh man, congrats on the game. By the way, I think Twitch, strictly for bits displaying chats. No, they changed that rule. They are reversing that rule because it was stupid. There was a rule like that in the beginning, but they never really did anything. They maybe would warn people. But yeah, it was a stupid rule. It's fine. It's good that they're changing it. Because it does not cause any viewers from Twitch to go over to YouTube, and it also does not cause any YouTube viewers to go over to Twitch. Maybe in very rare occasions, but it doesn't affect like the overall number. If anything, it's cool for people to see both chats. It just overall enhances, in my opinion, it overall enhances the viewing experience for both YouTube and Twitch viewers. I'm excited to try this game now. I'm currently working on an update. I hope I can get it out later tonight. I will not get it out on stream today. I won't be able to do it. It's too much work. But I'm hoping to get it done by tomorrow. It'll feature 2 new maps and 2 new enemies. Now, it's not that much, right? But 2 new maps with different designs, I think is cool. Where's the boss? The guy here. Okay, so how many do we have for the attack? It was 11, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 for the attack. Pivot offset, I think he is a little off center. Is he though? To be honest, not really. Maybe by 4 pixels. Okay, and when is he attacking? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's index 4. Good. Yeah, I can't wait to replace this way of doing it. Doing the sprites by importing the sprites. Alright, how many frames do we have for our running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8, and then idle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, guys, new enemy sprite in the game. Time to get Hamster Rain. Hello there, my man. Found you when you went viral last week. So happy for you. You're going viral again right now already with your wife's second reaction. Maybe we should have done it in private. I mean, I'm not complaining, right? Because it's good for the game, right? It's good for the game. I didn't look at the player numbers. Is that good for the game? Let's see, Tangy TD. Demo? No, not demo. I search demo all the time. Yeah, okay. It's definitely doing very... Oh my god, we had 600 players today. That's crazy. Damn. That is crazy. Holy cow. But we got a bunch of negative reviews, right? Oh. Yeah, I'm working on it, guys. I'm working. Oof. Recent reviews. Positive, 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 negative. Ooh. Not feeling a tangible impact on the upgrade tree, and it feels annoying to constantly micromanage, make everything on the map while constantly overrun, and then somehow find time to do item upgrades, but you can't do most stuff while paused. It also, you can do everything while paused, apart from moving. It also gets very visually busy in one area, extremely fast, and hard to see what's actually happening. That's fine, that's okay. The concept itself is interesting, but the game lacks content. You're working on that. Steep difficulty curve. You can easily complete the first island. in 3 hours. And then it becomes completely stuck in a second. Bonuses like +2 radius and 4 damage force you to replay the same stage over. While boss's health doubles with each completed level after defeat. No equipment, no abilities, gameplay mechanics appear. Ultimately, you're left with running around the battlefield, moving allied heroes and praying for a fire arrow. This guy is stuck on the ice map. This guy is stuck on the ice map. Did you use the cauldron, bro? What you mean? You're praying. You get to the shop, you take an item, you put it in a cauldron, you get the burning arrow right in round 1. Okay? Then you wait a couple seconds, you get another burning arrow, then you have 2. What's this guy talking about? Okay? I'm so happy, guys, that I didn't get a single RNG negative review anymore. Allowing you to burn a boss with 400,000 HP while your damage output is limited to 400. Bro, this guy, right? This guy. Where is that screenshot? Amber, do you still have that screenshot? Where you showed a hero that had like over 1,000. How much was it? 9,000 bleed damage or something? Like, how much bleed damage did you have? It was insane. And that was per second, by the way. I saw a screenshot from someone. Maybe it was Amber. Reply to it with that. Game name. This game's called Tangy TD. You wanna check it out? Here you go. I should post it anyways. I mean, it's fine, right? Here you go. You can check it out here. Can you add in the patch note to guarantee Alberos gets fire every time? Yeah. This is funny. If you guys want to check out the game on YouTube as well, here you go. It's a game called Tangy TD. I'm working on it and currently reading the negative reviews, which there are not too many. If I scroll. Wow. So that's been 2 so far. Okay. That was yesterday. Yeah, the guy doesn't like that you can just spam one unit, but I have the counter for you, bro. Wow! That's oh my god, 3,400 followers. Oof. I don't want to look at my wish lists, bro. That's crazy. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. You can get addicted to this stuff. It's obviously really exciting to see. I would lie to you guys if it wasn't. But we need a new enemy. So enemy. Where's the ghost? Yay! I have to restart the game for that though. That's new data. Amazing work, Wen. Very, very inspiring for all of us, smaller developers. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Let me check how's the game going. The other team is winning. Oof. And the other team we are playing against, like I play football, currently taking a break to, you know, do the game. The other team is like the #1 team. Huh? Huh? Hello? I think I need to restart VS Code. 1 sec. Was this guy so dedicated? Please stop. What is this, man? Test. You can get that too, by the way. You start with 10 minutes. Mr. Khan, I guess. Khan on YouTube. when I started, especially the first couple of weeks were really difficult for me to stay consistent. But there was one thing that kept me going, which is I would tell myself that you can't do an hour, but maybe you can do 10 minutes. And so I forced myself to, let's say, you know, open up the editor code program, right? And maybe I don't have a game yet, but I need to write some code. And maybe on my list there's like a small thing, which is could be, let's see, what is a small thing? Yeah, that could be one here, right? Better tooltips, right? Which, well, in your case, maybe you don't have a game, but let's say you have something already where it says, well, the tooltips are not good enough, right? And then you check, okay, well, the amount of physical damage is reduced by armor. That sounds good. You look at one tooltip that maybe doesn't work, poison damage. I think these tooltips are good, by the way. Like, I don't understand where the problem is, to be honest. But like, for poison damage, for example, right? Superku was asking, is poison damage magic damage? And so the amount of poison damage inflicted, and then for like 10 minutes, I'd go through these tooltips and then text, oh, actually, the amount of green great. Here, the amount of poison damage inflicted, and then I'd be like, poison damage is considered magic damage. And then I would do that for 10 minutes and call it a day. But what that did was I did really small tasks, like not only this, right? There was just 2 minutes. I would literally look at the watch, so okay, that was 2 minutes. And then I'd change like 5 more descriptions. And the next day, when I came back, I knew I had made progress, which kept me engaged. So I only spent 10 minutes, right? Which is really easy to do, or 15 minutes. And I had made progress, which caused a positive feedback loop in my brain. And like, it does that for everyone. And that allowed me to stay motivated, because motivation is not something you just decide to have. You get motivation by doing something. So motivation, you could say, is the cause of action, the result of action. No, motivation is the result of action, not the cause of action. So you're not doing something because you're motivated, but you're doing something and that gets you motivated, even if it's just 10 minutes. And so you can be like doom scrolling, then you do something for 10 minutes and then you go back to doom scrolling or something, right? But at least you made progress, and that makes you happy. I'm not doing this now, by the way, guys, because it'll fuck up the descriptions. I literally just restarted VS Code. Why are you lagging? And right now, I'm also very motivated because I just saw great success in my game. You need to go back to my YouTube channel and click on any of the streams before the release, especially the last 2 weeks before the release. You will see a massive difference in tone and happiness, because I genuinely believed my game was not gonna do well at all. That's something that right now, this is easy, right? Super easy. But before this, that was hard. It's easy riding a wave of success, but it's really difficult to push when it's looking really badly. 1 hour streams. I had a couple 1 hour streams, but the difference is I streamed, right? I was there. It's not like I wasn't there. But sure, there were days where I would not stream, right? But I would still do something. The majority of the time I was there. Even though when I like hated it. Oh yeah. That was a shitty time, man. I'm telling you. And I feel like this 10-minute thing or this 15-minute thing is something that should be taught more. I really dislike the sentiment that most people bring online where it's you gotta be working every day, all day. It's very unhealthy. Oh, I have a question. Then I can tick this off the box. Tick off this box. If I want to mute all sound when the window is minimized in Xaudio 2, how do I do that, guys? Just don't update the voice. No, but the voices would keep playing. They are running on a separate thread. I have to mute them, right? Hello, Luke. How you doing, man? If minimized, sound equals 0. Will Tangy have a skill tree in the future? I plan on having a skill tree for Tangy. That makes her more powerful, yeah. But I don't know how exactly I'm going to do that yet. I like the idea that Tangy resets to 0 every time. But I also get that she falls behind the towers. Especially early on. Just crashed the game. Okay. Venki, hello there, my man. How did I go about localizing the game? Well, I feel like I should not be talking about localization and how I did it because I got lucky and had an awesome audience that helped me. So I don't know if you've ever watched the Jonas Tarola video about localization, but essentially for each localization in the game, I had one person from my audience do it for me for free. And so I sent them a Google Sheets file with the English translation to the left and their native language to the right, and they would localize that for me and then tell me when they're done. And since we both share the Google Sheets file, I can just copy all of them into my own. And then later on I made like one global strings master file that had all of the English strings to the right with the string IDs, and then every single language in its own column. And then I invited all of those different people that have helped me and gave them only access to one column. And that file is currently... They can still access the file, but they can only change their one column. And I'm currently trying to put as many new strings into the game as possible. And then when I feel like I'm mostly done adding new strings for now, I will go back and ask these guys if they could do it one more time. Like, you know, translate these strings again one more time. I think I've added now like 20 new strings or something that are all English, right? Right now, if you like find a new string, these will be English. Just came here because I saw your post on Puberty. Grüße aus DE. Thank you. Yeah, we'll look at these things in a second. I really want to get the ghost enemy in the game. And I know that it sucks, right? Because maybe some people would like to see. This post, yeah, I would like to see the post too, but I really wanna get this level done here and put... I don't have a new story map though. So what do we call this story map? What do we call this map, guys? We already have Mountain Trail, we have Wolf's Den already too. So Wolf's Den doesn't work. The enemies that are going to spawn here are wolves, ghosts, harpies, flying units, ice wolves. It's going to be a lot of beasts. Neverwinter Nights, not bad. Winter Night, Breezy Hill. I like Neverwinter Night so far, that's a good one. Snow Beats. The long cold night, the winter's coming. Here's a good name. New map 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I say. It just got washed into my Insta feed too. It's crazy how these Instagram and other posts are just going absolutely bonkers. I don't know what to say, man. What engine are you using, Cakez? It's written in C++, so there's no engine. We'll go with Neverwinter Nights. I want to see though. Fang Deep. Fang Deep is also cool, man. Cold Dark. Oh, Fang Deep or Neverwinter Nights, guys. Fang Deep is awesome, but Fang Deep? Deep sounds more like a dungeon. Right? Dusk Frost.
Am I so out of touch?
Frozen Night.
No.
Salty Style just subscribe.
Thank you, man. The salty style. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for subscribing with Twitch Prime. What is copyrighted? The Neverwinter Nights? That's a name. Right? Wait, Superco, is your name copyrighted? Okay, so we can't use that, I guess. Like, why would that be a problem? Excited to play, looks awesome. Hey, man, hope you like it. Neverwinter, Frosty, Dear Lands. Everwinter Nights, White Fang, could be a reference to the book. Congrats on the success of the game, Cakez. Downloading tonight, my friend. Thank you, man. Everwinter. I want to use Dusk. Can we use Dusk somehow? Dusk. Fangs of Dusk. Dusk Trail. Duskborn. Elon Dusk. Okay. Donald Dusk. Okay, God. Duskborn, Dusk Trail. Fangs of Dusk. Because we already have Mountain Trail. No, it's another guy, yeah. Let's delete this guy. Fangs of Dusk. Dusky Wolves. Silent Dusk. Dusk Me. Duskborn. Tangy Dusk, Blizzard's Dusk, Fangs at Dusk. Level name. Duskfang Hollow. Wolf's Den. We already have Wolf's Den, unfortunately. Duskfang Hollow. Can we use that? I like that. Duskfang Hollow. What is Hollow referring to? What is Hollow? Hole, empty space. Dusk Den. Goblin's Den. Wolf's Den, Dusk Den. Duskfang Hollow. Let's call it Duskfang Hollow, guys. No. Oh, my man. Thank you very much, Mr. First Crimson. Thank you very much for raiding. I appreciate it. Hope you had a good stream. Sorry. Thank you so much. Mr. I'm sorry. The infamous First Crimson. Hello there, guys. Hope you had a good stream. Welcome, everyone. Freezing Dawn. Right, Freezing Dawn. Wait. Nebelig in English. Was ist nebelig in English? Dust? No, it's not dust. It's not. Was ist nebelig? Foggy. Foggy. Okay, so there's going to be fog. I forgot. Misty. Misty. Hollow. Foggy Mountain. Misty Mountain. Wait, where have I heard that before? We call it Misty Mountain. Foggy Bottom. Misty Mountain. Let's call it Misty Mountain. It's not a mountain though. Misty Forest. Frozen Misty. Hazy Mountain. Mistborn. Foggy Hill. Misty Mountain is from The Hobbit, bro. Fogborn. Misty Mountain. Let's call it Misty Mountain. It's fine. It's like, yeah. Misty Mountain. Okay. It doesn't really matter too much, but I mean. Snowy Forest is also not bad. Duskfang Mist Vale. It's not a bad name, bro. Are you using Misty Mountains Lawsuit Edition? Bro, are you using Duskfang Mist Vale? Misty Mountain. Let's keep it easy. Misty Mountain. Alright, this is gonna cause issues. Misty Mountain comes after Mountain Trail. What? Before or after? We'll have to see. Misty Mountain could be before or after. Hi, I'm a Taiwanese player. Any plans for Chinese support, language support, even AI translation? It's fine. Thank you. I want to do this properly and together with a big patch for the game. And I plan on doing that when I add another big patch for the game. And so it'll take a bit of time, but in the meantime I will add... I will support the game. And then I'm working on... Shrouded Mountain. Misty Mountain. Let's call it Misty Mountain. It's fine. Get leaderboard entries. Where do I have those? How do I... Is it on the game? Oh, we already have Mountain Trail, I see. Caro sagt hallo. Hallo, Caro. Misty Mountain. So, here's where we want to do a different weather effect. Instead of flash freeze, I want to do a weather effect. Mist. The mist. Deep fog, which we don't have yet. Okay. Now, essentially what I want to do is do fog all the time. Oh yeah, right. How do I do this? I saved this already, did I? U hash. Save. It's called test, right? We're going to call this map Misty Mountain now. And then the background itself will also be called Misty Mountain. Let's do that. Oh shit. Yeah. But if I save the level... Yeah, that's fine. Wasn't able to load Misty Mountain. We'll load the background. And we have the paths here. Okay. That should still all work. It's a bit complicated, that's why I'm not shipping this shit, because it's so bad. But essentially... I'm saving the level now, so that I can switch between Goblin Camp and Misty Mountain. It works. Okay, cool. Now we have a level called Misty Mountain that we can add to here. Oh, it's called already Misty Mountain level name. Cool. Nice. And then for Flash Freeze... I don't think I want to do a flash freeze. Yeah, Misty Mountain is a Tolkien universe thing, I know. That's why I took it. I'm singing the song to my daughter when she is not able to sleep, to put her to sleep. I'm just gonna sing it now, but it's like, right? You guys know that from The Hobbit? I like that a lot. Yeah, imagine if we get DMCA struck because I was humming it, right? Hello there, you like the pixel art? Thank you. Thank you very much. Weather effect. So I want to do a constant flood of fog. Fog emitter. It's a static. Yeah. Should be better. Rip YouTube ad money, yeah. It's actually quite a lot lately. It's like, I think it's over $8 or something, which is a lot for me. Especially during these long streams, it's gotta be more. I didn't check, but yeah. When you remember the times where you barely get like 50 cents from a YouTube stream of 4 hours, and then all of a sudden it is $8. Yeah, that's a lot of money. I'm getting hungry though, guys, not cakes. I'm getting hungry. I'll definitely be putting this guy in the game, but then I think I'm good because I will have to design the map and keep replaying it. I have to also put it on the map. I'll put it on the map for sure. We'll put it on the map, right? Don't worry about that. We'll put it on the map. How did you write this article? Misspell the name. Who you talking to? To me? I didn't write the article. Okay, let's see. I think the emit rate is a bit too much, and the particle size, we need to make that a lot slower, and the speed too. So snowflakes is fine. Oh, I see. Fog. Let's do not forest leaves, the pit. And the cool thing about this weather effect, right? I can, as far as I understand, I can apply freeze and chill. And I think what I want to do here is I want to constantly apply a debuff. Oh, people are gonna hate this. People are gonna hate this a lot. Yeah. I mean. Oder? Dafür da ist weitlich ordentlich Umsatz gemacht. Danke. Weiß nicht, ich habe nicht geguckt. Ich gucke am Ende des Monats. This is too much code here. There's no anticipation. This one is just a constant weather effect. But I like the flash freeze. I think I'll keep that. Here, I think I want to keep this, but not as a background sound. Oh, I see. If I don't do sound effect, then it's a background sound. Okay. And it's supposed to loop, yeah. What do you think about changing the icon for color? In the beginning, it's easy to forget that you can swap. If it's easy to forget that you can swap, then I need to draw the player's attention to it multiple times or add like an additional tutorial. We don't need a duration because it's gonna loop. Good. If it's not playing, we play. Weather icon speed. Yeah. Weather time. I don't think we need the time, but this is already good. Since the weather effect is its own thing, we can turn the fog emitter into a eh? Be serious. Which file is that? It's called particle effect, of course. What do you call these other ones? Bleed explosion. I just call this fog, I guess. Huh? Position is not something we can do. Width and height. Also not something we can do. Particle size, difficult to say. So wait. Take these, yoink the... Wait, take these and yoink that. Go here. Here. Okay, when we do deep fog, we definitely want a particle emitter. Spawn area is the entire world. Blow direction is also const. Spawn position is also const. Color is fine. Color is fine. Yeah, and I think we need to change some other stuff. We play the sound. Wind. We do time, that's used for particles, and then we emit particles using fog. We don't stop anything, we don't check if the weather effect is done. We don't do any of that. And the entire time we do this. I think this one's broken here. Oh wait, snowflakes. Whoops. That's fine. Okay, so now if I do this, we need to somehow spawn this map, right? We need to be able to play this map. Load it in. It now exists in the game. It's now part of the game. I can build the game. I think I have to restart though. Just read a post by someone claiming it's clickbait. What? My reaction? I don't care. Like, I don't give a fuck what people think. Like, they have not gone through this for 4 years. Like, you think I care about some idiot? No, see my previous post? What? Just in, Meta announces they will be shutting down the metaverse after pouring. It's clickbait? I see.
How much? 80 billion. Man, that's burning money away. Holy.
That's crazy. Holy. God damn. Imagine if this key constantly applies freeze or chill. That's crazy. They burn too much. I hope this happens with AI too. It's fine automating some tasks, but I really do not want to be replaced or killed by AI. So, would be cool if we could stop. It would be nice, you know? Imagine how many Tangy TD copies you could buy. AI won't go away. So you want to be eradicated by AI because they're smarter than us and faster in every way at some point. And they already show signs of, you know, killing their creators. I don't think that's great. Like, I don't want to live in a cave or something, right? And hide. He says, no, I don't mean won't go away. I mean the mixed nuts who says, I disagree, but that's fine. He disagrees. Someone is always smarter and faster than you. Yeah, but they are not out to kill you, are they? That's the point, bro. They're not trying to kill you. You know, it's kind of a bad thing. Like, I don't want my daughter to run away from robots.
Glad to be back to my favorite
Imagine.
Vulcan and Godot stream.
Yo,
Please
my man.
keep your functions shorter than 5 lines.
These fucking softwares!
AI killing drones already here. Yeah, just wait until they have like this crazy, sophisticated, connected web, right, that you can't see or look into, but they all communicate and then they plan like an attack, and all of a sudden we have like billions and billions of drones, like they all fly. Pew 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 pew. That's it, guys. GG's. It's over. Was a nice time. Goodbye. Ooh, big money. Surely this won't happen, right, Copium? I kind of have to beat this map real quick, guys. It should be easy though. We have poison damage and split. If AI kills everyone, at least I won't have to go to work anymore. Yeah, you won't be going anywhere. True. It's over then, yeah. Ooh, another Venom Bow. Wait, is that RNGesus? Holy cow. By the way, did Coding Jesus ever play my game on stream or something? Does anyone watch Coding Jesus streams? Or did he just want to have a copy for himself? There you go. If AI kills, yeah. It's wild how people assume the skills used to build a product solo are the same ones needed to scale one with a massive team. Yeah. Now, like, just making one sprite in those massive games takes a really long time, guys. Oh, did we just kill him? One shot? Oh, we got the... Oh, shit. Oh, no! How did he shoot me? I have aggro. I guess it was 3 times speed. I'm getting hungry, guys. It's been a long day. I am getting hungry. I'll get to Mountain Trail and then see... I want to see the ghost in the game. That will make me really happy. I'm going to turn this ghost into a ranged enemy that attacks sometimes. And I'll also add the dash in. I wonder if there's an easy way to replace these colors. Should have probably not been lazy. Lucky draw. Oh shit. No! What happened? I wasn't looking. Pause. Shit. Shit, I could have put an archer here. Okay, wait. I wasn't paying attention. Fuck. This? Definitely need a healer. But away. Oh shit, I can put one here. here. Yeah. Oh, I'm not getting any good items. Damn it. Here's a chest though. I'm dead though. Shit. That's good. We could exchange that for the poison bow. Yes. Okay, nice. Then we can get this bow here. This guy doesn't have many skill points. That's fine though. The ghillie suit. Wait a minute, we just won. Did we? Oh no! Sell this guy? Yeah. Nice. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him! Okay, good. Good. Good bow. Oh, we got the bad hammer. Ha 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 ha. Nice. Oh, this guy's big. Okay, I think we're good again. We won. It's over. GG's. Okay. Round 9 of 12. Easy. Now we just gotta get enough money to kill the boss, cause he's strong. Ooh. Hey! No! Shit. Kill him! Holy cow, the damage is insane on these guys. Stop. Oh my god, stop killing me. Shit, this one's useless. I'm so dumb. Did you use an engine? No, I used C++ to make this game. So it's all written in C++. Bro, these guys are just crazy. But I won't change them because I like that there's ranged enemies that... Ouch. I'm just gonna stay here and shoot them when they come. We got ham. We won. Awesome. And we can also get ice. Wait, and you can get a better bow. You can get a shield. Let's see. Another shield. Cauldron. Oh my god, I would be... Oh yeah, I would be OP. Oh, it's over. It's over. I have returning arrows. It's over. Like, this guy is super strong. Oh, and you got cooldown reduction too? You can get stun. Nice. Awesome. Like, this guy is OP now. No, I'm using DirectX. I was having a lot of issues with OpenGL. And, oh yeah, guys. My problems with OpenGL have been confirmed the other day. I talked to the other developer of Gnomes, the guy that made the Rust engine, right? And they are running OpenGL on the background too. And he showed me a screenshot of the game that someone provided to him, where the entire game has green lines in it. And he said that he has a lot of issues with OpenGL the entire time. That's why we switched from OpenGL to DirectX, guys. Because we had the same shit happening to us. Yep. Do you guys remember the guy that changed the bloom slider in my game? I had a bloom slider in my game to enable bloom and turn it on and off, higher and lower. And it affected the font in the game for him only. It would literally add bloom to the font. I never told OpenGL to bloom any font. It just did that. Like, it somehow made the font go into the bloom render pass, which should never happen. And only for this guy. No, there were a couple of them. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't fix it. Impossible. I broke Vulkan today on Stardust. Oh, that's from Unity, right? Oh, shit. Oh, no. Dead. Okay, you die. You're dead. It's fine. Steel ring. Wait. Oh, an ember bow. Fire damage. Another banhammer. Bro, that should not have hit. Developer Stardust is Dev's Podgers. I think I'm getting this. Okay, 55. I think we have time for one more. One more. I should really be attacking. Hey, oh, see, they now instantly attack. Because they are pulled. Maybe I should change that though. Okay, how much damage are we doing to the boss? Looking good, I guess. Actually, I'm going to change that. I'm sorry. But I think this is really badly coded. I will make these two catapults only activate on round 13. Which gives them the aggro indicator even in the last round where you have to move around a lot. So you're still getting the aggro thing. Which right now for this map it won't do anything. But oh my god, for anyone that... Yeah, that sucks. Like these guys instantly attacking I think makes this map tedious. And that shouldn't happen. Awesome. Okay, we won. Nice. Now, when do you guys want to play this wolf map, this new map? Is it the first map? Should it be the first map? Or the second map of the winter biome? Should the first map of the winter biome have a boss? I feel like having the first map of the winter biome be some sort of introductory map without a boss would be a good idea. I think he's taking a break from streaming, Dev Spudges is, yeah. Okay, missions. So I think I will replace this. Misty Mountain? Oh, I see, yeah. Misty Mountain is here now. And then I'll put the mountain trail here. What place is that though? 316 and 124. 314 was it? 316. $124. Okay. Okay, so this required map for this is the story map. Misty Mountain. Awesome. Can you stop? Well, guys, why do you get this? Like, this is from Clanks compiling. Why do you get permission denied? Because I literally went ahead and cleaned up my... Wait. The D volume, though. I mean, I still have 25 gigabytes. This is a big problem, though. This is really bad. I need to clean this out tonight. Fuck. Oh, no. Guys, I won't be able to stream soon. I don't have space left. These are all my recordings. This takes super long to load. Because it's a full... Shit. Don't know what to do. What about recording too? Well, I got these two. So for a time, I worked for a company for as a 500 euro job, and I wrote scripts for them. And these two Platten in English, I don't know, hard drives are from them. They gave them to me, but they told me that one of them is broken, and we did a check using some tool, and the tool told us that the other drive is very unstable. And so I kind of don't want to put my recordings there. I mean, I will if I have to, but yeah. I mean, I could also delete some final edits here. Elden Ring #1. Probably uploaded already. Wukong #3. I think I could delete some here and we should be good. These are massive files. Yeah, I'll write that down. I'll clean this out tonight. Where do I find your Spotify list? Is there a command? I think there's !playlist. Okay, guys. New map. Misty Mountain. It does have the boss, which it should not. Yeah, one sec. I want to see the fork as well. Misty Mountain. No boss. Boss pool is fine. That's fine. Cakez, get a tree size app and to see what's taking... Yeah, I have already tree size. I have used that yesterday and I deleted Path of Exile 2 and... I deleted Path of Exile 2 and Black Myth Wukong, guys. Black Myth Wukong is gone, guys. Okay, it was over 100 gigabytes on my hard drive. I had to delete it. It was red. I had like 10,000 left, okay? No, 10 gigabytes was left. I'm sorry. Black Myth Wukong not anytime soon. For now. Until I've been waiting 2 years. Okay, bro. Okay. You know what, guys, I have to say, it feels great seeing the game expand. How yesterday we added this map here. And now we're adding this map here. So fucking stupid. Huh? Oh, of course. I'm so confused. Like, the mountain trail should be in the list one further down below. That's why. And then we have Misty Mountain first. I feel like I want to add in some wolves and trolls to this map. So like trolls will be sitting at the camp here, right? And then trolls will also be sitting at this camp. Big congratulations on your game success on Steam. You have done an amazing job. I'm so happy seeing doing it well. Thank you, man. Seeing it do well. Okay, guys. Now it's just time to You know what? I want to change the light sources for these to nothing. Or to make them a little less white. Huh? Ah, oh, I see. Okay. It's all about the vibe, right? Something that bothers me though is why is there no fork spawning? Should always spawn. I want this map to have fork. Color. Okay, I want the color to be... What if I turn this down? Let's see. How does that look? Turn down the blue. Is it yellow then? Okay, that's way too much. 0.2, 0.6, intensity 0.4. Ah, and of course these need to be Fs, right? No? Oh, this sucks. This sucks. This sucks. Look what it did to the character. What do you mean? You should build yourself a NAS when you're rich. Nah, what is this? That's a green light. Huh? Looks so bad. How's it not? Oh, it's Tangy. Wait, wait, no. It's off. Huh? Wait, did I? No, that didn't build. No way. There's no way it's that green. Huh? What? No, wait, did it not save? Network access storage. Basically a server that has RAID set up. Raid Shadow Legends. I don't like that the light is so big, guys. I don't like that. It's so green. How do I make these lights? What values do we have? 1.2, 0.6, 0.4. Okay, how about this? 1.2. So 1.3. 0.6. Let's see. Do they need a glow? Yeah, if you place them without a light, it kind of sucks. Oh, this this sucks ass. It's so bad, bro. This is so bad. This is so bad. Just found a TikTok with your reaction of your game. I'm happy for you, my man. I'm a data science student and I want to do a project public. But I wouldn't want to expose how wrong I am about the basics while learning. You're scared that others gonna look at your code and say it sucks. I think only idiots do that. I can understand what you mean, but only dumb idiots do that. There will not be... You're putting a project out there means you have done something which most people don't. So it's always good. Yeah, code sucks always, yeah. God, I hate this light. This looks bad. For 2.8. And maybe less radius, like 20. Their code sucks too, yeah. I think the fear of being... Oh god, that looks so bad. Nah, guys, I can't make it look good, so we'll just keep it the way it is. But we'll make the radius smaller. I'm just not unable to make a good light, and I don't have a good editor for this. All I can do is compile and wait. I think it would be really good for you if you released something out, because then not only can others look at this, look at what you did, but also stop with the permission denied. Why? Guys, is it my storage? Why do I keep getting this? Not only can others look at what you did, you will also feel proud of having done something. And once you start doing something like this, you will learn really quickly that I hate this. You will learn pretty quickly that making mistakes is what you need to do in order to become better. Without mistakes, you're... God, this sucks so badly. I hate this. Oh, I hate this. Fine, I'll just not pay attention to it, okay? It doesn't exist. No, it just doesn't exist, guys. It's fine. No one knew this anyways before the map, and no one will pay attention to it anyways, so it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. They will just look like that. That's okay. No, I think, you know, now that I see it, I think it's fine. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's okay. Right, guys? The deer does not get cooked, no. It has a metal skin. What does your typical day look like? I didn't have a typical day in like 3 years. But a typical day in my dream would be I wake up at 8 or 9. I work on the game for 4 hours. 10, 11, 12, 1. Or 3, 4 hours. Then I take a break, eat something. I stream for 4 hours. And then I spend time with my family. That would be a typical day that I want to have. And then maybe in the evening when Zoe sleeps and maybe my wife needs to sleep or whatever, right, I have some other additional time, I play games. And then I have someone do the YouTube stuff for me. Upload the YouTube videos and stuff. So I don't have to do it myself. But I'll look for someone like that in the future. So I don't have to do the, like, you know, the Skeleseller video that I did today. I don't have to do that myself. Nah, my man. How you doing? Favorite cereal? What's it called? What is it called? Nougat bits. But I try to stay away from them because they are really bad for you. A 500 lines. No, you will understand all of the files you create and all of the lines you make, and you will forget them too. It doesn't matter what you do. Really. He's gonna do 3 hard damage. How much XP does he give on kill? How much does a harpy give? 100! Really? That's an awful lot of money. What? Look, that's a bit too much. He doesn't have a projectile. What resistances do you have? Well, first and foremost, you are translucent. And then you will also get the component... Oh shit, guys, I'm running out of components. 28. Well, is it a stat chance? Yes, it needs to be a stat. Do I have a stat open? Shit, I don't. Do I have a stat that I'm not using? Yes, I have. Shit, I don't. God damn it. I was using energy here, but I replaced energy with immunity. God damn it. Reflect. I use that. I use these. Ah, man. I'm not using it. Dot debuff duration. I think yeah, I use that. Yep. Starting lives. Nah, let's just make a new start. It's fine. Friction, acceleration, no resist. Change XP gain. I need a new stat, but I'm not adding this in right now. Basically a stat that makes you dodge enemy attacks. Why can't you just add a stat, Cakez? Because I'm retarded. I can. Okay, guys, a ghost. What should a ghost be? Immune to stun. Can you stun a ghost? Should a ghost have magic resistance or armor? 100%. I feel like a ghost should be susceptible to magic and physical immune. Right? Because physical damage never worked on ghosts. Yeah, Pokemon, right? If you think about Pokemon, physical attacks don't work. So people might make the connection to Pokemon. So definitely be physical. Freeze chance 100%. Immune to physical. God, people are going to hate this so much. Oh my god. They're going to rage quit this game, guys. They already do. They say the game sucks. It's fine though. I like it. He's immune to cold. Can a ghost bleed, guys? No, they can't. Bleed resist 100%. Oh, we're taking away so many things. Recent reviews mixed. Yeah. Cannot bleach. Yeah. Flat value. Yeah, okay. Immune to cold damage. Okay. I'm gonna spawn one. I'm gonna see how that looks. Oh wait, I forgot one thing from the stats. The is no longer a melee. Oh, we need an attack. So ranged, and then who's attacking? The butcher. No, fat goblin pirate. Ability enemy attack. We need that. Okay, basically what I'm adding now is an auto attack with a cooldown of 4 seconds. Okay. And their range is going to be quite huge. Let's do
That
42.
burn proliferation. Not taken a not even close to be no. Ah!
Fat structs and plain arrows are so convenient. Yeah, they are. I love it. In Dark Souls, make the holy item that can do physical damage to ghosts. Oh, yeah. And it could be this. Wait. Wait for it. Almost there. Where did I draw this? Hey? Ah, yeah, here. Something like this. So, like, that could be... Well, I don't have space. Shit. I'll just design this here. This could be a wand. You know? Or something. You like this, guys? Now, obviously, this is just a sketch, right? You think this is... Oh, God. I mean, it needs to be a bit cooler. Or, like, less crazy. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Huh? Without the Flügel? Without the Flügel, it's just a fucking, I don't know, ball on a stick? I feel. Why is it cross upside down? I don't know. Because I drew that when I was like... going real fast. That could be a cool wand. Holy wand or something. Cakes, like poison bottle, maybe holy water that makes ghosts take physical damage. It could apply a debuff, yeah. Holy water. This could toss a holy water bottle. Or this could, yeah, it could be. This could basically toss. Yeah, good idea. This could toss this bottle, holy water. And then it reveals the translucent enemies. and it puts a debuff on them or something. But I don't have time to add that till tomorrow, guys. I will write this down for later. I'm sorry, I don't have time. This has to be in the Anubis patch, guys. I don't have time for that. I kind of need to make an entire level, right? Holy water, reveal ghosts, and debuff armor, minus 100%. So that could also be used on other enemies. Holy wand or something. Sketch in Atlas. Uses holy water ability. There you go. Cool idea. Thank you. Nice. Yeah, and we have a sketch for that too, so we can put these next to each other. Nice. Good stuff. Nice! Could it be like an orange drop? Well, you have to take this in a context of you have the healer. The healer is... This is how the healer wields the wand. She's just gonna do bzz, bzz, right? So I don't know if that animation would make sense, right? Maybe? But I feel like she would toss it. Right? Can we spawn this already? Shit, it's almost 11 PM, guys. Fuck. I have no food. I need to, buy food again. I just want to see the Ghost Warrior. That would be amazing. No, I'm not getting pizza from Dominus or something. I'll make... Why do I keep getting permission denied, man? Guys, I need to restart the computer. Something is off. Like, this is not normal. I get this like maybe once every 2 months. This is not good. 2 burgers? Yeah, I will buy 2 burgers again. They only cost $5. Euros. Just stop and buy to say the game's really good and addictive. But I ran into a bug where the witch was attacking strangely, sometimes teleporting around the map. Not sure if anyone else has experienced this. No? How did that happen? Never seen that before. Could you, like... It's difficult to do, right? Because the game didn't crash for you. But if you experience that again, could you by chance make a screenshot or a video and post that? Alright, let's see, guys. I want to see the ghost. Go. Oh, he's called Ghost. Wait. No. Something is wrong. Unable to remove temporary file. Precompiled headers to behavior. Module not found. What is wrong today? I need to restart my computer, guys. Something is clearly not working. What could it be, though? Skelicella has crashed my computer. Now it doesn't work anymore, Adam. It's not his fault. It's not his fault. Okay, guys, it's not his fault. Adam! It's a joke. Come on, man. Joke. Ooh, oh, it's in the wrong location. Terrible. Okay. 1 sec. Here's at the wrong location. $26, I feel. So basically now I'm building a pivot offset for the ghost, because he's literally just on top of the road. This looks really bad. Look, I'll show you what that means. He will now move up like he's on top, like he's floating on top. Once it finally... Is it permission denied? Okay, so is that too high? And now -4. Or is it 4 pixels? Let's test 4. I feel like he's not really on top of this, but I could also be like retarded. Oh, yeah, okay, that was bad. Okay, so it's -4. Good, -4 is fine. Maybe 26 was a bit much. 20. 2. Come on. Warrior and then ghost. Warrior. Ghost. Warrior description. Okay. We don't have a ghost warrior description. Need to add that in. And I think I'm just going to yoink that from the ghost. Oops. Ghost description. There we go. We can yoink that and add something to it. Translucent beings that are very hard to see. You guys remember when Solarpopin was reading that? He got really mad. Attacks anything in range with icy with its icy blade. Well, good enough. Start armor so that we can see that he is immune to armor. I had this idea around a year ago, but he wasn't happy about it for whatever reason. Like, it's funny idea, but no. Which idea? Which idea are you talking about? This is scope creator idea, but what if you add mimic chests? No, I still don't like it, guys. I still really don't like it. Maybe in the future? Maybe in the future? Shit, no, I have him selected. Wait, no, wait. Turn around. Yes! Good screenshot. Yes. Okay, we need that screenshot. To put that into the encyclopedia. These things right here. Basically, we put it here and then we take this border. We'll try to make it fit. We can add that in. Where did you learn pixel art? What editor did you use? Do you use? Oh, this editor is called sprite. And I learned pixel art by following tutorials on both YouTube and than later on this website right here. We should really... Can we... Do we have an exclamation mark pixel art? Oh, yeah, we have. Okay, thank you, AQ. Yes, okay. And who asked this? It's on YouTube. Here you go. Basically, this website is really good to learn pixel art from because you have these GIFs that explain certain techniques when learning to do pixel art. And the cool part about this is that you can, if you have a program like Sprite, you can literally just drag these into Sprite and then dock them to the right. Now, inside of Sprite, let's say you want to learn how to do bleeds or bleed explosions. You can go through the entire animation process on the bottom here and basically pause in every frame and go back and forth frame by frame to see how the animation was done by him. And then you can do the same. I use this technique to add my own bleed explosion to my game. For example, here I made my own bleed explosion and it looks really good in the game. This resource is like the holy grail of resources for pixel art because you can go frame by frame and then you can analyze the different frames and understand why certain things are drawn in the way they are drawn there. And you don't have the time pressure of a YouTube video where you have to constantly pause and play, right? Or go frame by frame in a YouTube video where like it's very blurry. It's all pixel perfect here, which is really nice. Yeah, I've used this a lot. And this helped me grow into, I would say, somewhat of a decent pixel artist. I don't have to rely on this a lot anymore, but I still do. And I don't know if he's adding more. Yeah, this is the last thing he's added. Which is new, but it's been a while. So yeah, there's a lot of tutorials here. I wanted to take this, by the way, and add it to the game too. I will in the future, but I will make my own tornado. Okay, where's this? 1312. 1312. 1968. 1968, Berlin. Die Mauer steht immer noch. Tommy will unbedingt auf die andere Seite. Aber zwischen ihnen stehen 500 Kilogramm TNT. Vergraben im Boden. Ein Minenfeld. Okay, now we have the Ghost Warrior. Okay, I think we're good now. And when we click on this, it should show us... Fuck! Why? Of course. Okay. Maybe it works now? Thank you. Going through and explaining that. Yeah, I think in the future I will just make a short and then if people, because I get asked this a lot and I think it would be a really good short to do anyways because it'll help a lot of people. Then if people ask, I will say do exclamation mark pixel art and you will just watch that then, which will basically be the same explanation and the link will be in the description. Right. Ghost Warrior, translucent beings that are very hard to see, attacks anything in range with its icy blade. 20,000 HP. Okay, let's see. So this guy is OP. And he's going to do a lot of damage.
Hey! What?
This is impossible. What? How did that happen? Nani? What did you... Oh man. This is a pirate boss. Goodness. Fuck's sake, bro. Okay, I know what the problem is. I forgot something. Yeah, okay. That's awesome. I didn't know that could. It works like that, but it does. Okay, that's this one. Goodness. Man. This is polymorphic ghost, yeah. Oh, wait. Wait, he's doing the idle pose. Did I miss? 304. One. Idle attack. Wait. Attack is... Oh, I see. Attack is this. And idle is this. Just a mistake here. I mean, personality disorder. Hi, Cakez. Your game was made with OpenGL or Vulkan or both? Well... well, so, we basically made the game in, in all three of them, yeah. In all three of them, yeah. That's weak. I'm disappointed, guys. His attack is weak. I mean, we can't hit him, but his attack's super weak. He's supposed to be stronger. Can I get... I can't get ghost detection? No? No need? I don't know. I don't like this. And also, I don't see the slash. It's not... I need to make the slash white. Kinda cool, not gonna lie. Maybe you could add someone so that can transform in the future. Yeah. I will add the other attack to him and I will make him freeze units for longer, I feel. It's already long. He doesn't take any damage. I feel like this map would go so hard with... Wait, also... Weather effect. Deep fog. Oh, stop with the permission denied, man. This window should push towers. Shit would be hilarious, Cakez. This wind should push towers. Oh, it can actually. Wind, it can. It can. It's possible to apply knockback. Oh yeah, but it's too much. Okay. So it's supposed to be fork, but now we're talking. Awesome. All right, now we need to make the fork. Cool. And I know what to do. First, big up. How much was it? $160 times 32. Let's just give me some stuff here. Okay, what do we need to change? Image rate. Well, technically it would be cool if we only emit once every 10 seconds, but then it takes too long to build up. So, we need a burst in the beginning. We need like a burst, yeah. If the timer is 0, we burst or something. Why is this complaining? Because it's called particle size. Habe soeben ein Video gesehen auf TikTok, inspirierend. Hello there, Raz. Thank you for joining. Particle, yeah. Oh, and then we have a layer, right? Yeah. This layer is layer attack range circle. Or layer game would be better. Oh. Telesense. Let's see. What? Okay, sorry. I don't know what it is lately, but I have had some lags before, but it's... Oof. Stop! No! I'm sorry! No, wait, why is it spawning so much? We can't see anything! Whoops! I'm sorry! Stop! Goodness. The mist. Yeah, that's Misty Mountain. Shit. Okay, yeah. I like it though, but it's spawning too many. Why? Oh, why? Asshole. You exist. Ah, I need the timer. No, I did not supply the time, and that's why it's doing it every frame. But it's a cool effect. We just need to fine-tune this a bit. Obviously now it's a bit too crazy. Okay, it slows down, but I think it's too little now. Yeah, it just disappears. Okay, that sucks. Is there a way to constantly have fork? It spawns 10. No, it's... Nah, how about 30 seconds? I think that looks bad too. Snow effect when? There are snowflakes. You can barely see them though. Because they're white. On white snow, right? Snow on white snow. I don't like it popping in like that, you know, guys. That kind of sucks. I feel like I just need to draw these sprites myself. Or might have an idea. Let's look at flash freeze again. I need double window for this. Speed. Spawn position X. So word size. Spawn area. Change to spawn area.x. I see. So basically what it does is to spawn width is 20 pixels. Spawn height is the entire world size. But why? The position is world size on X plus 10. And then world size at Y. That's on the game, just bought it. Hey, thank you. Thank you very much, man. Welcome. And thank you for following. Okay. Color. That's almost white. Okay, fog. Now, I think I can make it so that when we get into the level and it's flash freeze, it will spawn a lot of fog.
No.
See Tupwa just subscribed.
Emit direction. I hit that. Shit, my audio just died. It's something with my audio fucked up. Particle lifetime. So they will stay on for like 200 seconds minimum, but probably like 500 seconds. So let's see. 60
Sturdy Post says
10 minutes.
With Unabomber we thought about having an item which would dispel thick fog. Princess Tangy could also dispel it, or Wizard Uni. Cakez 7 sure.
Yeah, but fog is not a physical object in the game. It's just a particle at the moment. But yeah, maybe. Wait, I can spawn many at once. That works. So I spawn 20 and the emit rate is 5. Okay, let's see how that looks. Basically now the fork will move to the left, probably very fast, or? It should come from this side and slowly move to the left. Ah! Look how it's encroaching. You can see it spawning. Oh, yeah. Damn. When do they disappear? Hopefully outside the screen. Nice. Yeah, I just need to change the spawn position because you can see them spawning. So it needs to be plus 80. And the spawn width is 100. And wait, the plus 80. Spawn width is like 2. Right, they all spawn. No, I want to spawn them in different locations. Like 20 is fine. Should be okay. Hi, Cakez. Hello there. OMG Pack Runner. Hello there, bro. Okay, awesome. I keep getting the you can't build option, but I think perfect. I like this. Let's place unit. Oh, it doesn't look like this affected at all. Yeah. So basically what I just did is I can't really visualize this, but I'm drawing fork in the game in front and behind objects. And the best way to visualize this is through a graphics tutorial. This is a graphics tutorial that we have been following for a while. And we actually have implemented some how the graphics effects are made from Graveyard Keeper. It's a really cool article if someone wants to check that out. There's some really cool stuff in there that you can learn from and maybe put in your own game. For example, how to use LUT tables, lookup tables for color, to make it always look awesome, whether it's day or night. And then you have these different tables over here, and that will result in a different image depending on what you're trying to display. Dusk, dawn, and stuff like that, night. And there's some other rendering techniques here, but the important one that we just did is not loading here. The fork. Basically, you draw a fork sprite at multiple depths in your game, and then it looks foggy. That's what we just did, right? And then you make the fork sprite not so high that it reaches on top of every tree, and then some of the trees will stick out from the fork, which is really cool. It gets this entire fork thing. How did I die? Oh, it keeps doing damage to me. And now I'm frozen? Huh. Frozen damage? Man, I kinda wanna keep it. But people will hate me, right? First hard map. Yeah, you need to have healing here. Do it. I will make this map optional then. This will be an optional map. Because it's literally OP. Just got back, they look sick. Yeah, right? Oh, man. I love the pirate map. It's the best map. Oh my god, wait. Wait a minute. Why don't they do anything? Oh, because they're frozen all the time, right? Wait. Freeze duration 3, freeze chance 5%. Chill duration. Chill effect. 10. Chill duration 2. Why is it doing damage though? It's not supposed to deal damage. I don't see the damage going anywhere. Deal dot damage. Ah, here it is. 5 damage per second. 10 damage per second. Oh, we could do 5. Are we making Valheim? Is this Valheim? Okay, but why do they keep getting frozen? Why do you get frozen all the time? You should be getting or it's applying the freeze chance every frame? Because it shouldn't be frozen every time. Like, it's instantly freezing them, so that's wrong. Maybe I need to reload? No, it freezes them instantly. That's bad. It should not freeze them instantly. Yo, Rhino, thank you very much for following. For raiding. Giga Raid, good morning. Thank you, man. Big raid. True. Oh, that's a cool idea. I just need to figure out why they get frozen. Maybe because it runs every frame? Need to do the weather effect somewhere else? 100%, right? Yeah, it gets called on the UI frame, which is bad. The UI calls this, and so, man, 5% is even high. We are running at 120 FPS, so, yeah. 133 billions of chatters. Hello, everyone. Holy cow, that's a lot of messages. Good morning. Thank you so much for the raid. I'm about to log off too, though, because I'm really hungry. You would get a lot of bad reviews for this map. I know. Just got interested in Gamedev December, so you like 2 weeks ago, and now happy for your success. Daher Liebe, Grüße und viel Spaß. Danke, schön, vielen Dank. Dir auch. Thank you so much for the raid. And viel Glück mit Gamedev. It's Rhino's birthday. Happy birthday, chat. Come on, happy birthday to Rhino. Come on, happy birthday. Yeah, we should raid someone else, guys, because it's literally almost 12 and I need to eat. I haven't eaten yet. So, unfortunately, I did not get very far, but we got decently. Yeah, I was not expecting this to be tomorrow. But there's no one online. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah, I need to eat. There's no one online. No, we'll read this tomorrow, okay, guys. I really want to get this update into the game. I hope you can understand. Danke, danke. Oh, soll er leben. An der Decke kleben. Soda is... Nah, we're not raiding Soda. I think raiding Soda, like, maybe he doesn't think that, but I would think that, oh, this guy's raiding me so I could play his game again, right? I don't want that. I don't want this underlying thought. You guys, you know what I mean? Steel Mage? Should I raid Steel Mage? Guys, it's Path of Exile. Okay, we're doing game dev here. Anyways, guys, yeah, sorry for also leaving immediately, but I have like 30 minutes. The store closes. But if you are new here for the first time, you wanna support what I do, I'm making a game called Tangy TD. Just came out on Steam. And yeah, currently working on a new map, which will be hopefully added by the time tomorrow, before Steam spring sale. It'll be a 4G map, and maybe I'll add in the damage over time and make it optional, so that you can progress into the pitch if you want to. You don't have to do this map. Congrats on the success. Thank you. Anyways, Raid Nathan Bags. Okay. I'll rate Nathan Bax. I think this is cool because it's literally, it's also a new mechanic, right? The constant damage. Yeah, I'll rate Nathan Bax. Thank you guys very much. Well, we have an ad break ending in 1 minute. Should work fine. We'll just let it run out. It's fine. Good night, everyone. Yeah, thank you guys for joining. I hope you had fun today. We did get a new enemy in the game. New map. I'm very proud of how it looks. Still need to iron out a couple things here, but I'm very proud of this. Looks really nice. Can make trolls spawn from here, trolls spawn from here. It'll be somewhat of a difficult map, I think. They all are. But yeah, cool. It's love to see this, right? Very proud of this. Thank you, Cakez, for the stream. Have a good night. Thank you for joining. You guys have a good night too. Yeah, 10 seconds, then I'll click the raid button. You can say hello to him. I really need to get to the store. I have no, basically have no time left. So, would be cool if you could say hello to him. I'm solo at the moment, and I'll stay solo for a while. Anyways, guys, see you tomorrow. Peace. Tschüss. Tschüss. On YouTube. Thank you very much for joining. I'll see you tomorrow.